Question 1. Which enzyme involved in substrate level phosphorylation? Answer. Phosphoglycerate kinase and pyruvate kinase. Substrate level phosphorylation means formation of ATP without electron transport chain. Question 2. Which is the most energy rich molecule in glycolysis? Answer. Phosphoenol pyruvate is the most energy rich molecule in glycolysis. Question 3. Anolase enzyme inhibited by. Answer. Fluoride. Question 4. Which metal ions are required? Pyruvate kinase. Answer. K plus, Mg plus 2, Mn plus 2 are metals which require pyruvate kinase. Question 5. Which enzyme involved in formation of pyruvate from phosphoenol pyruvate? Answer. Pyruvate kinase. Question 6. Which enzyme involved in formation of lactate from pyruvate? Answer. Lactate dehydrogenase. Question 7. Which enzyme involved in decarboxylation and oxidation of pyruvate? Answer. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question 8. Which cofactor required pyruvate decarboxylase? Answer. TPP. Thymine pyrophosphate. Question 9. Pyruvate decarboxylase enzyme involved in conversion of. Answer. Pyruvate to acetaldehyde. Question 10. Decarboxylation of pyruvate form. Answer. Acetaldehyde. Question 11. Inhibition of glycolysis by oxygen is known as. Answer. Pasteur effect. In Pasteur effect, inhibition of phosphofructokinase. Question 12. Malate aspartate subtle mechanism found in heart, kidney and liver. Question 30. Which disease caused by an inability of conversion of galactose to glucose? Answer. Galactosemia is a genetic disease. Question 14. Which pathway is the primary source of NADH formation? Answer. Glycolytic pathway is the primary source of NADH. Question 15. Which enzyme involved in the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA? Answer. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question 16. Conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA is a which type process? Answer. Oxidative decarboxylation process. Question 17. Who discovered the Krebs cycle? Answer. Hans Adolf Krebs, H.A. Krebs. Question 18. Citrate is used for synthesis of. Answer. Fatty acid. 19. Which enzyme involved in isomerization of citrate to isocitrate? Answer. Achotinase. 20. Achotinase enzyme inhibited by. Answer. Fluorocitrate. 21. Another name of alpha ketoglutarate? Answer. Oxoglutarate. 22. Isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme involved in the conversion of isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate. 23. Isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme inhibited by ATP and NADH, and isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme activated by ADP and calcium ion. 24. Which enzyme are involved in oxidative decarboxylation in citric acid cycle? Answer. Isocitrate dehydrogenase and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Which enzyme involved in oxidative decarboxylation in citric acid cycle? 25. Which enzyme involved in the formation of succinyl-CoA from alpha ketoglutarate? Answer. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. 26. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase inhibited by NADH and succinyl-CoA, and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase activated by calcium ions. 27. Which enzyme involved in the substrate level phosphorylation in Krebs cycle? Answer: succinyl-CoA synthesis. 28. Succinate dehydrogenase enzyme involved in? Answer: formation of fumarate from succinate. 29. Succinate dehydrogenase enzyme inhibited by? Answer: malonate. Malonate is a structural analog of succinate. 13. Oxaloacetate and alpha-ketoglutarate are precursor for which amino acid? Answer: oxaloacetate is a precursor for aspartate and alpha-ketoglutarate is a precursor for glutamate. 31. Acetyl-CoA required for the synthesis of fatty acid and cholesterol is required for the synthesis of acetyl-CoA. 32. Succinyl-CoA is required for the synthesis of porphyrin and heme. 33. How many ATP molecules are formed after glycolysis and Krebs cycle? Answer: 4 ATP molecules per glucose molecule.